Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create new chats, new group on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, click here, and now here you will find new chats. Click on it, and here as you see you can select many accounts here, and click chats, and it will be created a new group, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.